guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, today it is a dark and dreary Sunday afternoon and I'm going to be organizing my makeup in my bathroom so that I no longer have it on my bathroom sink countertop. I picked up something that is both effective and pretty, and I'm going to show you what that is and how I put it together and how I organized my makeup. So I made myself a delicious chai tea and I'm just gonna go in there and have some fun with my makeup. So come along with me. Alright guys, so I am going to show you how I am going to put my brushes and pencils and wands and all kinds of things up in this portion of this beautiful makeup caddy. It's on wheels. I can just wheel it to myself in the morning when I'm ready to put my makeup on. And you saw how I put it all together and what it looks like. You see that it has some, I'll pick it up a little bit just to show you. It has drawers which I can organize with my palettes and my blushes and my, compacts. And then it has another shelf under here that I can put some more containers just to, corral all of my stuff. And then it has this level here where I can put more of my makeup, and it's so nice. So, and it was easy to put together. It did take some time, but it was easy. So I'm going to show you when I put my brushes in, they really sink down low. Like I can't even see them. Even taller brushes kind of sink in. And I was thinking to myself, what can I put inside there so that my brushes will be elevated? And then I saw this really cute idea, and I'm sure you've seen this before. This is, you can pick up these containers with them in there already, these little pearls in the container. So I saw that, and it was actually on sale this weekend at Kohl's. I got it 50% off, so I picked up another one, even though I'm going to be doing that inside of these little separators, right? You can see that. So anyway, that's what I'm going to use into these little spaces to elevate my brushes. And what I found was at the dollar store So not only did I get some container things to help with my palettes in the drawers at the dollar store, but I also found these pearls, and I got some small ones, but the dollar store had basically just these big ones, but I don't think it matters what size they are. They'll just house, you know, they'll be at the bottom, and the brushes will have something to sort of stand in. So I got 1, 2, 3, I got 6 of these. So I'm going to put them in here now, and then we're going to put the brushes, the wands, the pencils into this portion so that they will all be so easy for me to grab and put back in.
Not much writing love songs. Hell, I never even tried. With 1,000 things gone wrong, here's one thing that is right. I run back to you, and you come back to me again. Wildfires burning, and they're packing up for war. Seems like nobody's learning from the ones who came before. But I run back to you, and you come back to me again. Up before the sunrise on another working day, trying hard to hold tight to the one thing that remains. So I run back to you, and you come back to me again. I would lay my head down at the evening's end and dream about a love song I'm writing to a friend. I run back to you, and you come back to me. And I will run back to you. You can come back to me again.
All right, guys, so I will take you on a tour of my little makeup caddy here. I just love it. All of my foundations are tucked in right over here on the side. I have my short eye crayons or eye pencils, some lipsticks here, and all of my concealers all in one place. And then I have all of my pencils that are like sticking into the little pearls down there, so they can kind of stand up on their own. And I have my large brushes here in the back, same thing. The pearls help them to stand up and be seen. And the same for my small brushes. You can see inside there that the pearls are kind of letting them have something to keep them upright. Then I have my sunscreen, and my sunscreen, just a BB cream. And then in the back here, I have my mascara wands, and I also have something that is just like a highlighter that kind of just fits in there. And so that looks really awesome. And then on the next shelf, I just have some stuff that is kind of odds and ends. I have some tweezers back there, some perfume samples back there, my scissors and my eyelash curler and my current sponge. I have an odd blush here. This is a Laura Geller stick brush, a blush. So that's just there. And then I have some more things like concealers and a light eyeshadow here. I have some eye cream, some brightener here. I have my lip balm, and I have another concealer here that's kind of an odd shape. Then I have my eye cream here where I have easy access, and then these two drawers, I have my Buxom lip gloss, and then I have some lipstick here that fit in there really, really well. And then in this drawer, I have used these little dividers from the Dollar Tree, and they work perfect. In the back there, I have my new beauty blenders to use. Then I have some eyeshadow palette, a blush palette. I have like this is like a primer. This is kind of a primer. Then I have all my blushes. I have my powder foundations. I have another primer here, my bronzer, and then I have some powder and some more eyeshadow palettes, and another eyeshadow palette stuck in the side here. And what's nice is I don't have them all tucked away in a box like I did before, and then I don't even know I have them and never go to use them. So the same thing in this drawer. I have all my eyeshadow palettes here so that I can see them and actually use them. I love that. Every morning I can kind of go through, see what I feel like doing for the day. I have my, this is like an old Urban Decay palette that has, you know, powders on one side and creams on the other. It's a really nice palette, but I never use it because it's tucked away. And then I have another like odd eyeshadow palette and a bronzer here. And then on the bottom, I have this really great eyeshadow palette that I bought last summer. And it has everything. It also has blushes and highlighters, and it's really cute. And I bought it at a boutique store, and if it's hidden away under my sink in a box, I'll forget I have it. So it's right there. It looks pretty under there for now. So everything is just looking good, tucked away, but not only tucked away, but really at my fingertips every day. So this was a great purchase, and I'm really happy with it. Actually couldn't be happier. Okay guys, so you can see that my bathroom counter sink area is nice and clean, no more makeup to clutter it, and I am so happy with the way everything is in my bathroom. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.